Guys, hope you are doing good everywhere you are. Again, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys. Guys, as I told you, here I'm still in Japan, but guys, Japan technology is becoming huge. It's so crazy, man. So guys, look, all this is a vending machine, and here in Japan they are everywhere. They are everywhere, man. In Japan, I mean everywhere. On the street, this vending machine, as you see, in the park, inside of the building, man, inside of the building, even inside of the train station, man. What about drink? Guys, this machine can keep hot drink, cold drink, like tea, coffee, juice, water, energy drink, man. Tea, they have a cafe latte, they have cappuccino, man, loyal tea, everything, cold or hot, anything you want, man. Everything, man. Even cookies, man. Can you see? Like energy drink, this jelly is something like man, they even have some machine, man, for the food, vending machine for the food. For my next video, you're gonna see the vending machine for the food. But guys, I want you just let you take a look all this machine, all the kind of the drinks, man. Hope you're gonna enjoy, man. Once again, thank you so much for following me, guys. It's really appreciated.